Use a piece of floss about the length of your forearm just as a rough guide. Some people need slightly more, others a little bit less. Wrap it around the forefinger of the one hand and then the forefinger of the other to get a grip, and then continue winding on the one side to take up the excess length so you've got a comfortable working length to use between the middle fingers. Start at the back of the last tooth in the mouth and just give that a bit of a scrape up and down, and then work your way through one gap at a time in the mouth. Just skipping a few on the model, it doesn't go through all of these teeth. Now, many people make the mistake of using what I call a hacksaw movement side to side. This is not particularly effective. In order to displace the plaque sideways, we need to apply pressure backwards first. You can see how the floss is curving around the front surface of this tooth, and then scrape up and down just 2 or 3 times. Alright, once you've done that, we then pull the floss forwards so that we're scraping against the rear surface of the tooth in front, and once again up and down a few times with the floss, flick out and move on to the next one. Now, middle fingers are easier for the back teeth up to about this point here, whatever's going to be comfortable for you. Once you get towards the front of the mouth, it's easier to get a thumb on the outside, middle finger on the inside, and carry on across the front teeth. So once again, pass through up and down against the one tooth, move across, up and down. Once you get the hang of things, this is the sort of pace that you should be moving along at. It's going to be a little bit slower at the back, but don't worry about that, especially at first. Practice will improve the speed of things. Yeah, so when the floss starts to fray like that, just unwind one turn on the one forefinger, wind on the other, so that the frayed bit moves out the way, and you've got a fresh bit to carry on between the middle fingers for the next few teeth.